So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look weird. If it's you or me that keep on you, I'll be deep in life, but I try not to reflect on life while breathing.
That shit looks so creepy,
I've been
gang.
lied to way too much. I don't even believe the truth. My vision was blurry. I didn't know I could clean it. I was happier when I was broke. It's an awful feeling. My family know I ain't be myself. Some things that I gotta deal with.
The deal, YouTube, man.
Fuck the money. Fuck
Back
the
with
fame.
another video.
And if shit
Today we
goes
doing
wrong
something a
today,
little different.
so they gonna
Let me know
blame.
if y'all like this
If I don't
early
have
morning
it out,
workout
you'll probably say I
routine, y'all.
changed.
If you know, then you know. It's cold as hell out here. I'm freezing, but we still gonna get it done.
No need to shout. That shit don't catch up. Someone's gonna get bored up. Why? Cause this shit don't add up. So many questions. Who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look weird. You got a bone to pick with me. I feel like Piers Morgan. ETA on my trip. I said it already. You know I'm stalling. Yo,
Gotta get
I feel like
you in the
now.
game.
I'm falling latest nights and early mornings. Yo, when I bought her the bag, didn't seem too surprised. It's expected from me, not you. You ain't that guy. You're just mad. You're broke. Yo, self-centered pride.
Y'all see,
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look
that's all
weird.
you need, baby.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look weird. If it's you or me that's deep on you, I'll be deep in life, but I try not to reflect on life while breathing the view. I've been lied to way too much. I don't even believe the truth. My vision was blurry. I didn't know I could clean it. I was happier when I was broke. It's a awful feeling. My family know I ain't be myself. Some things that I deal with. Fuck the money, fuck the fame. And if shit goes wrong today, who else are they gonna blame? If I don't help you out, you'll probably say I changed. My closest friend tried to drop me out. Talk on me, that's word of mouth. Speak with chest, no need to shout. That shit gon' catch up. Someone's gonna get bored up. Till this shit don't add up. So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no
Oh
average
shit.
girl, my one top tier. What is it
Tired.
now? I stood on business and I made it
First time
clear.
back jogging.
I'm over it now.
Most
You
healthiest
done
thing
all
you can
this
decide to do,
to
bruh,
make me look weird.
is
As
as soon as you wake up, go jog, bruh. The healthiest shit you can pull off. Better for your heart, better for your legs, better for your brain. Good work, nothing else. Let's go, motivation. Now it's time to go hit push-ups, pull-ups, push-ups, pull-ups, and crunches, and squats. Y'all give me a congratulations, bro. I've been so lazy lately, gang. I wasn't dropping no YouTube videos, wasn't working out. Y'all give me some motivation in the comments, man. Y'all just dropped the 100 sign for me. Let me know y'all watching, bro. please, I would appreciate it. I love y'all, man. Make sure y'all go do something productive in the morning, bruh. The best shit ever. Why is she sleeping now? Woo. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Do push-ups, pull-ups, crunches, lunges, and squats. Oh my God. I'm done. 2 sets is all I need. I'll add on more every day. Keep adding. Keep adding. I'll add on more eventually. But right now, bro, I ain't in shape. I can't even lie to myself, bro. I ain't in shape at all, gang. I'm tired. That's the fuck. That's all I got in me. Man, make sure y'all comment that 100 sign in the comment section. Keep me motivated, gang. Please. I'm begging at this point. I'm trying to make it on YouTube, bro. So bad. Y'all don't even know. So bad, bro. Telling y'all, this the best thing you could fucking do. So beautiful out here, even though it's ugly. Where I'm at, dude. Just look, gang. So beautiful. The mountains, the sun, dude. The ditch. You know what the ditch is? That's where the underground people live at. They could go through in from right here. Dead ass. You know, see? Let's go down there, fuck it. I'll take y'all on a mini adventure, fuck it. Come on. Almost fell. What the hell? I don't even think I can get down here. But that's where they get into it. Right there. It's the tunnels. I think I can go on the other side. Let's see. If I die, y'all motherfuckers paying for my funeral. My number is 702-972-5882. Just call that phone number if I die. Whoa, that shit was zoomed all the way in. My bad, y'all. I didn't even notice. Oh, shit. Damn, that shit got deep. I think because it rained. Oh, if I fall in here, oh my God. I wonder what they got in here now. Y'all ain't got no fish in this hole? No fishies? That shit deep as fuck now. That's crazy. It ain't used to be this deep, y'all. Well, I think because it just rained. Bro, I remember when it used to rain, gang, it used to be fucking Mexican kids swimming in here. Like it was a fucking pool. Oh, y'all see all them tadpoles? Oh, that's a big ass one right there. What is that? Damn, no more rocks. I'm like a big ass kid. I'm 26-year-old, by the way. I ain't been down here since I was like 12 years old. Dead ass. I used to come down here and fuck around all the time. Nothing. Yeah. Come down here with a fishing pole, stupid ass. Catfish in this motherfucker. I'm really like the last kid. All right, let me show you how this tunnel real quick. See if we can go in there. See if we can go in this bitch. Can I get over there from over there? Hell no. One time I found the snake over here, y'all. Dead ass. I don't know where the fuck it came from. Somebody pet or some shit. But look at that. In the way to the tunnels. Should I go in? I don't know. Should I go? Should I go? Should I go? It's fucking water. I'm not getting my shoes wet. Oh shit. We in here, y'all. That shit looks so creepy, gang. What the fuck? Oh my God. Should I go? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm trying to get over here. Whoa. Hi! Hey, that shit is so cool, bro. My name is... Stupid ass. That shit echo far as hell. Imagine a big ass monster just came out this bitch. A zombie. I'm done. Oh shit. That was scary. I ain't going no further than that. Fuck around, might get grabbed into some shit, you see me? That was part of the adventure. I gave y'all some extra that I wasn't supposed to do. It's cool though. Next time, watch. I'm gonna come through that bitch with some boots and a light. And I'm gonna travel through that bitch. Comment in the comment section. If I get five yeses, just 5 yeses, I'll travel in that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. I'll get my boots. Oh my God. Where the fuck is my key? Oh my God, I'm slow, bro. I thought I lost my keys. Thought I lost my keys in the ditch. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was crazy, gang. But chill. Yeah, I'm like, thought I lost my keys. Y'all know I'm kind of slow. Yeah, but give me 5 yeses in the comments. I'll travel. I'll see where that bitch lead out to. Dead ass, gang. If y'all drop 5 yeses in the comments, I'll go figure out what's in that hoe. Till then, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for the good video I gave y'all. Thank you. Have a good day. Look at that. Hey, bruh, I remember, I don't know what happened to it right there, but I swear to God, gang, when I was like 12 years old, we went to the top of that motherfucker, like in the attic. I jumped in there. It was pitch black in that motherfucker, right? Nigga, I lit a lighter up so I could see where I was going, right? I was in the garage, nigga. It was like 1,000. Bro, I swear to God, it was like 1,000. Like, fuck 1,000, like 10 million newspapers, bro. I just lit one of them bitches on fire, gang. That whole house lit up, nigga. And I live over here. So, nigga, we ran over there, gang. We was watching from the wall, dead ass. That motherfucker was up in flames. Man. Well, I thought they water was gonna taste like shit. But yeah, 5 yeses, man, and I tore the bum tunnel. Dead ass. Peace.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What